How to enable or disable proxy mode in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the top menu bar. Click on playback, then from the drop down menu, select proxy handling. This is the section where you can control how proxies are used during playback, which is useful when working with high resolution footage or slower systems. Under proxy handling, you will see three options. Disable all proxies will turn off the use of proxy files completely, so your timeline will use the original high quality footage. Prefer proxies tells DaVinci Resolve to prioritize proxy files during playback, helping you get a smoother performance. And Prefer Camera Originals forces the software to ignore proxy files and use the original media even if proxies are available. You can switch between these settings at any time based on your current editing needs. For a smoother timeline performance, especially on lower-end hardware, using Prefer proxies can make a noticeable difference. But if you are reviewing your edit for final quality, switching back to Prefer Camera Originals is a good idea. Now, to control how proxy media is created, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click the gear icon to open Project Settings. In the left-hand menu, select Master Settings, then scroll down to find Optimized Media and Render Cache. Here, you can set the proxy media resolution. For example, you might choose half or quarter resolution based on your system's performance. Below that, select the proxy media format like DNxHR or ProRes, depending on what works best for your editing needs. These settings will determine the quality and format of proxy files that DaVinci Resolve generates when you created proxy media. It's a good idea to set these before generating any proxies to make sure they match your preferences. And that's it, now you know how to enable or disable proxy mode in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.